Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Gemini AI app. In this video, I will show you on how to use the Google Gemini AI app text-to-speech without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Gemini AI app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your text, or better still, you can upload a picture sample of a particular text. Like for instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. I'll go ahead and open my gallery. Then from my gallery right here, I'm going to go ahead and select a particular image from the gallery right here. So I'm going to select this particular image right here. Then I'll go to click on done. So this particular image right here, I can easily convert it to text to speech. How do we do that? I can ask Gemini AI that, can you please describe this image, and send. And in a few seconds, it was able to describe the image right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead, simply click on this icon. This allows you to listen to what is written right here.
Which is a digital notice regarding shipping and logistical delays. Professional, clean layout with a large, bold red heading and a high-quality photograph of an airfield at the bottom. Key components of the notice. Heading: a prominent notice in red, bold, uppercase letters at the top. Message content: the text addresses valued customers and explains that conflict involving the U.S., Israel, and Iran is causing significant interruptions to global shipping. Specific impacts: airspace over Qatar and the UAE is mentioned as being affected. It claims Ethiopian Airlines is the only option remaining for certain routes. It warns of increased freight rates and significant flight delays. Visual elements: the bottom third of the image shows a cargo plane on a sunny tarmac with several large...
Just like so. So we can go ahead and come back to the plus sign again. Then gallery. Then we can now upload the real image and ask Google Gemini to still work on it. So I'm going to select the same image right here. We can check on the preview. So you see the preview of the image that was just described by Gemini AI now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on done. Then done. Then I will now say, can you please extract text from the image and send. Just like so, the text has been successfully extracted. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on this icon just to listen to the speech.
Based on the image provided, here is the extracted text. Notice: dear valued customers, due to the conflict that emanates in U.S., Israel, and Iran recently, we are currently facing a significant interruptions to the global shipping supply chains, as the airspace over Qatar and UAE has been affected, and the timeline for resumption remains uncertain. Multiple carriers affected, Ethiopian Airlines is the only option remaining if the conflicts continue. Note that there will be a continued increase in freight rates and significant flight delays within this period. Note: the text above is transcribed exactly as it appears in the image, including grammatical errors and punctuation. Would you like me to rewrite this into a more professional format for you?
Just like so. You can go ahead and continue to work on this particular image right here as far as this is concerned. So basically, this is how to use the features of text to speech in Google Gemini AI. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.